Tiara bela ka tiara 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 we line agam dek. You joke and feel it's a live.
I need to go and eat things mati
Tiara
canteen can.
macron tiara ga tiara kwan. An ki gang kwan pan you tani se live me rook one boots uniform ti gang kwan.
You always live
so
like others
simple.
students. Right, tajiri tutwal imi malu putami be luani emaji de os yatinium tutwal wati program wa mabawara bwani celebrity vibes kama wakelo celeb mamigi maaki bulo mapat komala mi Uganda international yatinium tutwal ni atikela mera achel keken one and only sister Bestie Gyal.
Yo.
Itini itika nen smart makonya bepe.
Thank you.
Man ngama designer ni.
Okay, Anikuma.
Your own designer.
Yeah.
Manyore ka wai be designing I be kara kuje. Eh?
Kamano do.
Mar to kani full interview mi na chero kere.
Ayera be.
Anyway, kera watch kere watiki Bestie Gyal, you know, she's the one that bodies now can female artist miko malimi Uganda. Kera watch kere one poll car or mi chance ki female artist miko malimi Uganda because they always downgrade them. But one chalo tami be pe wa mero gini yene. So Bestie Gyal amita wa interacting kong jima chela rio der kong malubu career mamigi cause wa bere na no jimi ne po beru yod buru to was ever since started last year coming to the end and this year mutakane. Yeah, so Bestie Gyal kono bere nga ke komani who's Bestie Gyal kawachi Bestie Gyal.
Okay, Bestie Gyal is the youngest female northern artist.
So you're the youngest pa now.
Yeah.
And how do you feel like being young and monete kato joma don kuje?
I feel so happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. I even seen it. You're happy. So Bestie Gyal, we always like chalo bloggers and vloggers. We always be online. So karmo karangech manok wabirika winulok mogoni. Kono you guys you have kwalo way kono but before twini tien wabirika kar minno ngato beda wachlo khene ano kwayo kija. So chalo in female artists. Machalo, they always this kind of words being kumi and you are still raising. How do you feel kake wajo look in and you free nanoni and you make music industry futima large total.
So Kabora, I don't feel bad because I still have more hits. I still have more hit songs, so I don't feel bad. So we call him, we explain to him. So your racket command Emma, you can you Emma and Benya Emma. Dong alok niao. So
No pelare.
So worker and paying, we explain to him. So nyangbe. Yeah.
So you know why could Jimmy Kauberika me you make career and people battle career and cause